What's up guys, and welcome back to B4Crypto. In this video we're going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum because we could see that both of them had a major push towards the upside. And are we going to see that Bitcoin will break out of this W formation? We're going to find out exactly that, guys. And we're going to find out we reached a level of $21,600 and afterwards we saw a strong rejection towards the downside. Are we going to see this bounce and this break from this W? We're going to find out exactly that, guys. And we're also going to look on the 4-hour chart at the 200 moving average, because I told you in the previous video that this is going to play a major role. And guys, we're also going to look at Ethereum because we could see that Ethereum already broke out from this W formation. Are we going to get this retest and this breakout and reach higher price levels? We're going to find out exactly that, guys. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end and make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe to my channel. And now let's start with the video. Welcome back guys, and we're going to go directly into the charts. And we're going to start on the daily chart to get the bigger perspective of the market situation. And we're going to find out, we could see we had this low and then we formed a higher low and even a higher low. So guys, this tells us we're in an uptrend. And now we have to see, have we formed higher highs or lower highs? So guys, I wouldn't consider this as a high because this is still from this move that brought us into this region. So guys, I would consider that this is our high and that we have formed a higher high, and now we are in the middle of these ranges. Are we going to see that we are forming a higher high, or are we going to form a lower high and could expect that we're going to reach these price targets again? We're going to find that out on the 4-hour chart, guys. And we're also going to look at a very important factor that I also told you in the previous video. We're going to look at the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart, and as you guys can see, I told you in the previous video that this is going to be really important. We're going to find out what I said in the previous video. But guys, now comes the very important factor. If we're going to break over the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart and confirm this breakout towards the upside, I could expect that we're going to see a relief rally. And why, I'm going to show you exactly now, guys. As you can see, we perfectly, like I told you in the previous video, that we are going to bounce from these levels. We perfectly bounce from the 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart. But guys, as you can see, at the moment we have formed this rising wedge, and a rising wedge is a bearish pattern, and most of the time we break out towards the downside. But guys, at the moment we have to consider that we are going to reach higher price targets. We first saw this rejection of this upper trend line, but guys, we're going to find out, are we going to see this bounce from these levels? We're going to find out on the 50-minute chart. And on the 50-minute chart, guys, we're going to draw the Fibonacci retracement level from these breakout points all the way to the top. And then we can see that we found support at the 61.8, and that is a good retracement level. So guys, what could we expect at the moment? At the moment, I see the price movement is in a quite bullish move, even though we saw this correction all the way down to the 61.8. So I could expect that we're going to reach these levels and that we are going to consolidate in these areas before we are then going to see a breakout after the weekend, or we are going to see the dump to these levels, and I could expect that we are going to bounce from these levels in the beginning of the week and that we could see a positive price movement. Because guys, overall I'm quite bullish. Because guys, at the moment we can see that we have closed 3 4-hour candles over this 200 moving average on the 4-hour chart, and that is quite bullish for me. So I could expect that we at least see this break towards the upside, and then we will consolidate in these areas, and then we will see at the beginning of the week that we are going to push through or see a major rejection from this rising wedge. So guys, we're going to go over to Ethereum to see what the price movement of Ethereum did. So guys, on the daily chart for Ethereum, we could see that we broke out from this W formation and that at the moment we have reached a level of $1,350. But guys, you could see that we had a pump in the last 4 days of Ethereum of 41%. And this is just amazing, guys, because this shows you if you dollar cost average into these coins at the moment, that you will quickly see a lot of gains, guys. And if you would have bought in these areas for $100, you would be up $40 by now. We're going to go over on the 50-minute chart for Ethereum. So guys, let us find out on the Fibonacci retracement level. So guys, we can only see that we came down from the 50% and then we got support on the 38.2, and at the moment Ethereum is pumping quite hard. But guys, let us go over on the 4-hour chart for Ethereum, and guys, I could expect that we are going to consolidate in these areas before we are then going to get this push in the beginning of the week. So let's go back over to Bitcoin. So guys, overall I could expect that we will consolidate in these areas until we're going to see this breakout or even the dump towards the downside. So guys, before we're going to end this video, I want to remind you there are only 4 days left to receive your $25 Bitcoin airdrop if you use my MEXC global referral link, and you will also enter a $1,000 giveaway, and you can receive a $1,000 deposit bonus. I mean guys, we make use of this free money. And guys, if you like this video, go down, smash up the like button and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it a lot. And we see each other in the next video. You have to be for crypto.